Hey guys, so in this video we're quickly going to be toggling a dropdown, and we're going to be showing how to create a dropdown using Alpine. And we're going to be using the x-show property and the on-click property that we previously talked about. So let's just go ahead and do that. So the first thing that I actually want you to do, and thank you for my friend Ali to actually let me know that my screen should be zoomed in, so obviously people can see it. So first thing we want to do is, if you're on VS Code, just go ahead and download the Alpine JS IntelliSense. That way you're going to get, like, let's say the actual autocompletes as well. So I'm going to say x minus data, and then I'm basically going to say we're going to have a show dropdown property, or we can have an open property, and we can say this is going to be false by default. And then, for example, we're going to say this particular thing is only going to be visible if open is going to be true. So now if we go ahead and have a look, as you can see, our dropdown is gone, and it's basically only going to be visible when we actually open it. So we can basically say x on, and then we can say on a click, what we want to do is we want to change the open property to true. Apart from doing that, if we actually want to toggle the dropdown, we want to say the open property is going to be opposite to the open property that it currently is. So now if we go ahead and actually click on it, then as you can see, the open property, if it was true before, it becomes false. If it was false before, it becomes true. So that's done. And we also want to do one thing. When you usually click outside of a dropdown, it usually closes itself. So let's just go ahead and actually implement that. So I'm going to say add click.outside. And basically what this is going to do, it's going to change the open property to false. And let's just go ahead and actually have a look at that. So once I actually click outside, as you can see, I'm clicking inside of the dropdown, nothing's happening. When I click outside, it closes. And that's going to be it pretty much for this video. It's a simple video. Do subscribe to hit the bell icon. We'll talk about how to actually create a search input, which actually searches through a list of results in the next video. So do subscribe, do hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.